Hi guys, welcome to my beauty channel. In my today's video I'm going to review one product by La Roche-Posay. As you guys already know, I am a big fan of La Roche-Posay cosmetics. I usually get them at my local pharmacy here in Italy, and they turned out to be really safe for my skin and they really take care of my skin. My skin is oily to combination. I do have some dry areas now that I'm in my 30s. My skin has been a lot worse when I was in my early 20s. I did have major problem with breakouts and blemishes, and I was really feeling self-conscious about it. I was trying out a lot of different products and I finally found La Roche-Posay, and I have been sticking to these products since then. So now in my beauty routine I always use a product by La Roche-Posay. Here on my beauty channel you can find that I already review different products by La Roche-Posay. So you will have Effaclar MAT review, Effaclar K, Effaclar DUO, and now currently in my routine I'm using Effaclar AI. So this is like a targeted cure for a certain problem that you might have, certain problem being blemishes, of course. I find that my skin has been really clear and on its good behavior, so right now I am using some other products for my skincare routine, but I still do need to reach out for my Effaclar AI product every once in a while, because sometimes I will have like breakout emergency. I really need to reach out for this product. It's basically this little tube and it contains 15 milliliters of the product. So it's just a product that is supposed to be applied on the areas of your face, of your skin, where you feel you will have a breakout situation or where you already have breakouts and blemishes. You aren't supposed to apply this product all over your face. This is, like I've said, just for targeted areas. So I think it's just amazing treatment. I have used in the past a lot of these types of treatments and none of those really worked. They would just make my blemish a little bit more painful. So the products from other brands that I've used in the past that were supposed to treat the blemishes weren't really doing their job well, because I would be left out with a painful blemish and with a really, hard and rough skin around the blemish. This, however, I can really trust, because whenever I have a blemish situation, I just apply this on my blemish directly and I leave it overnight or even throughout the day, and I can feel and see the visible difference. My blemishes are just disappearing, they are kind of drying out, and it's just amazing. Well, it won't really work as an overnight treatment. I mean, it will, but the results won't be so visible. You will notice a slight result. If you have really big breakout, then it won't disappear overnight. Just continue using this product. You can even use it as a part of your daily skincare routine, even before applying your normal facial moisturizer. And if you continue using it for a couple of days, you will definitely notice your breakout disappearing. There is one thing, however, that I can't stress enough. When you are applying this product, you have to trust to this product only, in terms that you don't need to overdo, use millions of different anti-blemish products on the same spot. Use only this one and trust in this product, and in a couple of days I guarantee you, you will notice a major improvement. Also, do not try to squeeze your blemish, and I know I have my fair share of guilt when it comes to this issue, because whenever I feel like a blemish is forming on my face, the first thing I want to do is squeeze it out. I know it sounds so gross, but sometimes I just can't help myself, and this only makes the situation worse, because your blemish will become more visible, because sometimes it's not even ready to be popped out, so your blemish will just become more red, more visible and more painful, and you will just look really weird. So the best thing is just to leave it alone. Do not touch it, however hard this is, do not touch it, and just apply this product on your blemish. Apply it in the nighttime and in the mornings, so you can easily apply this even alone, or you can apply this before your daily moisturizer. Just do not apply it all over your face, especially not around the under eye area, because it's not specific for that area. Just apply it on your blemishes wherever you have problems. Sometimes I will even apply this as a prevention. I have some areas on my face that I know are prone to breakouts and blemishes, so in that time of the month I will just apply a little bit of the product on my chin where I'm prone to breaking out, and this will kind of prevent the breakouts from occurring at the first place. So as I said, I got it at my local pharmacy in Italy. I think it retails at around 11 euros, something like that, but it lasts me for months because it's super concentrated and you only need a tiny little amount to your targeted areas, and yeah, it will really last you a long time, so it's definitely worth the price. But all La Roche-Posay products are very affordable when it comes to their prices, and they are really effective and very nice and gentle for your skin. They are designed even for the most sensitive skin, and they are enriched with thermal water of La Roche-Posay. This product also contains salicylic acid, which will help in drying out your blemishes, and it's paraben free. So I guess that was my quick review on La Roche-Posay Effaclar AI. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have already tried out this product, leave me your comments and share with me your experiences with this product. If not, then I am asking you which one is your favorite product when it comes to treating your blemishes. I personally think it's really important to also lead a healthy lifestyle. Don't exaggerate in greasy food, in fast food. Try to incorporate a lot of fruits and vegetables into your daily diet, and drink a lot of water, and make sure your skin gets enough sleep. I think that's also really important when it comes to skincare and just having really nice and clear skin. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It really means a lot to me. I'm sending you all a huge kiss from Italy, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao! Comes in a little box like this, and then the tube contains 30 milliliters. As you can see, I'm running out of it, but I definitely will repurchase it because I love it, and it really regenerates your skin.